is up, everyone? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadayzia Ismain, and in today's video I am going to be installing a synthetic unit that I did receive from the hair company called Kalyss. That I will link everything down in the description below. Please excuse my sound. I am a little congested, so just excuse that. I did want to come on here and show you guys the packaging, as well as what else was in here. Actually, I think I threw it out, but let me take a look. Okay, so this is how it came, the wig. It came in this bag like this. And instead of like the little card that hair companies normally send, it has all of the information of the wig on the back. So yeah, it gives you good tips for taking care of your wig, tips for wearing it. It lets you know it has about 17, excuse me y'all, sorry. It has about 17 hair weft lines sewn. Tells you about the customer service, and this is a 28-inch wig, and I believe it's a closure. So I do have the wig here. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like off of, like, just coming out the box. Now this has just been pulled out the bag. I haven't really done anything to it. I tried to go in and like pluck it a little bit, but my tweezers are like horrible, so I couldn't really. But this side was manipulated just a little bit. But yes, this is how long it is, and this is how the inside looks. It comes with like a pre-cap already on it, which I think is pretty cool. And again, this is synthetic, so, but you know, the synthetic wigs have been doing their due recently, so we're gonna install this on my model that I have. And yeah, we're just gonna take it from there. I'm gonna let you guys see how easy it is to install it, and we're gonna just rock it like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video.
Alright, hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see, we're jumping straight into it. So I'm going to be installing this 28-inch wig. It's a 4x4 closure. The wig is synthetic. I will list the company's name down in the description below as well on the title. I don't want to pronounce it wrong. But for today's install, we are using the Even hairspray, as my aunt did not want the wig to stay on. She wanted to be able to take it off due to the fact that it was synthetic, so it's just a temporary install. So as you guys can see, I already went ahead and sprayed the adhesive and let it dry a little bit before sticking the lace into it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the blow dryer in a few to make it dry so that we can go ahead and cut off the excess lace. The whole process of installing this wig was quite easy. And it's very simple. If you don't want a strong hold, I advise using like the freeze spray or the Even spray. So after we cut off her lace, we just laid her edges, and then she was just telling me right here which side she wanted the parting to be on. But like I said before, the install was simple. Alright you guys, so I do want to point out that the wig was a little snug for her head, so like it wasn't staying up far enough on her hairline for me. So that's the only thing I did notice about the wig, is that it was a little snug. Okay, y'all, so now we're jumping into the fun part. We're just gonna go ahead and trim the edges and then swoop them on down. Alright, you guys, so here is what we ended up ending with. These are our end results. Everything about this unit will be listed down in the description below. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not a human hair type of gal and you like to switch your wigs on and off, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.